Hello friend, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll tell you is your homemade soldering gun it really work. So guys, let's start it. At first, I bought a transformer from market and I disassemble my transformer and remove this E section and I section. And after disassemble, my transformer is look like this. And then I use 2.5 millimeter thick copper wire and I use two of them for extra current. So I winding in secondary side for two turns, and after I winding I realize that the secondary current is large than primary current because this transformer formula ns by np is equal to es by ep is equal to ip by is. And then I attach one AC main plug and assemble my transformer like this. So after assemble I connect it for AC main voltage, and guys, suddenly I discovered that my transformer did not give me enough power for hit my soldering iron tip. So I think about why this is happen. So then I realized that this type of transformer has various losses like flux losses, leakage flux losses, core losses and copper losses and also hysteresis losses. So guys, these losses is decrease secondary winding current, so I did not get enough current. So I remove this winding for secondary side, and then I also winding 1.5 millimeter copper wire and 15 turns about secondary side. And then I suddenly discovered that my soldering iron tip is glow for red hot and it is very fast, near about 2 or 3 seconds. And then I attach one fan regulator to control my soldering iron tip temperature, because solder iron gun is main disadvantage is very high temperature. So I attach this fan regulator for adjust my solder iron temperature, and then I successfully made my homemade soldering gun. So guys, if you made your homemade soldering gun, so one thing one thing you also remember that your secondary winding is 1.5 millimeter copper wire and near about get a and 10 or 20 turn, and you also use 12 volt and 1 ampere transformer minimum. Here I use 12 volt 1 ampere transformer, and my secondary side I also take 1 volt 1 to 5 volt and near about 10 or 20 ampere. So guys, I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. So guys, thanks for watching.